So we are doing today an battery change in my Logitech MX Anywhere 2. I bought this mouse about 2 years ago and it was already a refurbished one, so I think it's already maybe 4 or 5 years old. And I just noticed that maybe the battery is dead or something. I bought a battery, a brand new battery on AliExpress. You can get also this on eBay. Yeah, it says on the package that it's 900 milliampere, but I don't know how big is inside from the factory, so we will find out this. I didn't find any video how to strip off a mouse like this, so I'm going this today. With the package, with the battery, I also get a little tool set. This used normally for phones, for battery change and maybe glass change or something. I have also here cutter. This is also one with this end, a normal toolkit, and this is a double-sided tape. I will use this one for those 4 rubber tips, some alcohol, and I think we can start. First of all, turn off and wipe the dust off. And then with the scissor we can start to discover those 4 screws what holding in place the upper part, and just be very gentle. You can buy these rubber tips also new. From AliExpress, but I would like to just give it a new tape after all. Okay, so we have the 4 screws. Okay, the 4 screws are in the same size, and then hopefully we can just separate them. Oh yes, there was a little clip over there, that's why it was a little bit hard. There's a nice weight in there. Okay, we can set this aside. Okay, and as you can see right now, we have the battery here, which is only 500 milliampere. Not sure if you can see, yes, which is only 500 milliampere, but then hopefully we are also good to go with the 900. As of the size, it looks the same. Yes, it's maybe a little bit bigger. Yes, maybe 3 millimeter bigger. And width is the same, I can say. So if you want to, you can also clean inside, but I have to say this is really not that much dust in here. I think it's just the tape what holding it back, and then it comes handy in this toolkit. So I just unplugged it. I want to screw out those 3. 1, 2, and the third one is right in there. Maybe hopefully you can see it. Yes. Okay, set aside. And there is one more screw in there. Those are the same size. Set this aside. And this is actually just the battery holder. And we have also, luckily, a flat surface where I can stick something and put through. The battery itself is okay, so there is actually enough tape, but just to make sure, first try this inside. I can measure it also from this angle, the length, and normally it would go like this, but no, that's not enough. So I will go with this battery this side. Yes, the cable end is the same, so we are good. And it fits right in. It fits right in. Just to make sure, I will put here just a small stick, just a small piece of double-sided tape. Push it all the way up. It's secured enough, I think, with only just one tape. Okay, then after that we are here again to assemble everything back together. And put the cable back in. And this way is the black wire goes upper side and the red wire goes underside. Moment of truth. We can maybe... Okay, it's connected actually, and the green light is also over there, so it's also functioning. So I turn it off, and then we can reassemble everything. First of all, the back part. just click, and then the front part. Okay, so it's everything okay. And then just put the screws back in. Okay. It seems okay. Okay, we're going to do a little bit different, a little bit on the budget. I'm going to clean the surface first. The upper ones are actually okay. So we are really going to do this in a budget, and that's why my plan is the next one. This piece was actually the double-sided tape what they used in the factory, and this is a little bit thicker than what I will use. This one. This is just regular double-sided tape, but this is really thin. But I decided to do with this one only just one layer, and it will be okay. I already done two because I wanted to try. First of all, I tried to stick back this one from the factory, and then apply a layer from this one. And how did it go? But it really didn't go well, and that's why I just decided to go with this one. If you want to be perfect, you can order those 4 brand new from AliExpress, maybe $2 or $3, not that much, not that big of a deal. But I decided to do right now the opposite one, and really just on a budget. So one layer of this. First of all, you have to clean it, and after that, this one layer. We will do that right now, and we are good to go. It's actually, it won't be that thick like from the factory, but it will be okay. There is a small edge around, as you can see, and it will be totally flat with this edge. Yes, I hope you can see. And then we are done. Actually, as you can see, I put everything together, and then just again, but this is really not that big of a deal, just a battery change. Everything is working, so that's all.